What you do?
I do one thing, man.
How give Mike? How give Mike? I told Mike give Mike.
I check it
Mike,
out.
what you do? Who for you you what you do? People, how much I do? Take me thing. You know, saying can't take me thing, cause my thing, and my thing, and my place, and my place, and every place, and my place, and me pay with the right now, and our place. You understand? They think me pay the playpen. Oh, I go and peeps, don't know your boy JNL back at it again with the next episode.
Alright, so what we cooking tonight?
We're cooking plantains, chicken with, I think, I forgot, yo. I just know it's gonna be bust.
Is it a chicken now?
Yeah. Just not even, no, sure about it.
Hear the nights go young. Feel my soul like
We got right now salt, we got adobo, we got sazon, goya, we got jerk,
Goya what?
we got Nelly goya, we got garlic powder.
That's the other one. The other Goya.
This one is onion powder. We got curry powder right here. Then we
What
got
kind of curry powder? That's important.
this one right here is the good kind. We cannot pronounce this one. I can't read it. Look, they put this down here. But you bought this one, right?
So this one is the Betapac Curry, the original Jamaican curry. Betapac Curry. You don't know. Every Jamaican know about that curry. This is the only curry, the best curry you can use. What's that?
Cheap powder curry.
Cheap curry powder. Now that's the Trinidadian curry.
That's how I looked at it. So I'm like,
Nah, but I like mixing the curry.
Cheap powder curry.
Nah, yeah, cheap.
This one. See me, I said, no, this one right here. You gonna feel it. This is sazon goya. And then we got ginger and all that. Brown allspice.
And this.
Hot sauce.
Can't forget this. The Scotch bonnet pepper. Oh yeah, check them out, check them out.
You only use two, and then we're gonna save it. I think so. Or we're gonna put ginger in there too.
We got powdered ginger and garlic. Today we are gonna season up the food. Mash up my onions first.
And every girl start bounce, they bounce like ball bounce, they bounce like ball bounce, they bounce.
I like to put the salt in my hand.
They bounce like
If a mistake like that happen, I'm not gonna put too much salt.
bounce like ball girl, boom 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 boom, bounce like ball girl, boom. She go down and she come up back, bounce like a tennis ball on the spot. Hot, she a hot girl, you know that. And any man will like you, idiot. She said she was right bunny,
So when you're doing curry chicken, you always make sure you cut up your chicken, because if you don't cut up your chicken, you know, the curry won't be able to get, you won't get that whole curry flavor. You always gotta make sure you cut your chicken up. You always gotta make sure that you cut your chicken up in pieces. Don't use a whole thigh or a whole leg or a whole breast. Chop it up so your food will get the most seasoning together as possible when you're doing the curry chicken. Every Jamaican know you don't never cook curry chicken raw. You cook curry chicken when you chop up the chicken. That's when you know set you're there. I eat curry chicken from a really hard woman or man or whosoever.
Yeah, look, you gotta get the fork too inside of it.
So I'm wash my pot, put it on, let all the water drain out. I'm gonna let all the water evaporate. Then I'm gonna put the oil in. I chose that container is because now we're gonna add the curry.
What the curry?
Remember, we have the Betapac Curry chief. Keep going, keep going. Milan, oh no, don't touch me!
What?
God,
Whoa.
it's gonna stain up your hand. Don't touch. Just put it. I'm gonna show you a trick.
Oh.
Alright, stop. Put a little curry there. Now we're using the chief curry. So the pot right here, the water's almost evaporating. Just need that last little bubble to go. And now the pot ready. So then I gotta add the oil now. Look more. Now when I do my oil, I'm gonna season my oil. The ginger and the allspice. Take the Betapac Curry and put liquor in there. You have to watch it, you know, because it will burn. Take the top. Cover that. I'll pick that up. All right, now let's open it up. Season. Minutes. What time now? It's 9 o'clock? Alright. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna be cooking the rice and then we're gonna start on the plantain and we'll be, now we're gonna say the plantain close to the end. Now we're gonna add ginger, real ginger to the meat. Chicken, the curry chicken, are you doing that? Oops.
How you want to cut it? Slice?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're driving down the freeway tonight.
They're not done yet.
Pour it slowly. Slowly.
Far back a little bit.
Alright, and that's why you don't wash out that bowl. Because you want to use it for seasoning extra. Scotch pan and pepper. Wash me like a big chef, like a bro for rip up things with knife and all them sitting there.
I'm a licensed chef.
Me know you're a licensed chef. Yeah, man.
Anyway, so
Just wash them off and just put it in there.
oh,
You know, like 3 or 4, pick three different colors.
I'm not doing the same thing, but
And
we don't make a mess to clean up after.
the rice soon almost ready to serve. We're from right now. This nigga is sleeping, bro. Yo, this nigga is that sleeper, bro.
School must always have a pajamas so you can evacuate.
Yeah, me plantain.
School, what is it, church? Church, same thing, you know.
That's how they should have fired you. Now started to figure it out. You know what, good. Black pepper?
Put more jerseys there. You can't go on and do them. They're good like this, but I mean, looking more something. That shit right there. That's good. This is good. Chicken. This is good right here. All right, here are the plates. Yeah, my trust. Mommy said he wanna put this hot sauce on, you know.
I already taste the hot sauce.
I told you, just go buddy up. Yeah. You're fucked. But him never know what him did I deal with.
It's good. The plantain is sweet, so.
Oh, okay. So kind of balance it out.
Of course, I'll put the seasoning. About to know save my life just now.
Alright, so I'm gonna do my taste test, man. Shit, it is hot. Put on one time real quick, cause I'm hungry and I wanna bust this down, so I ain't getting off full review, but the rice needs salt. The rice definitely needs salt. I forgot to put the salt, so the rice needs salt. Curry chicken, I give it a 10. Curry chicken, I definitely give it a 10. And the plantain. I give it a 9. I am about to bust this down. Like, subscribe.